Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again. It's your girl. It's your girl again, Niella, and we're back with another video. So today's video is going to be a quick makeup tutorial. This is going to be like an everyday glowy makeup tutorial. If you see my face for the first time, my name is Niella and I create content around every freaking thing you see on this channel. So be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever a new video pops live on my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys make this entire journey worth it. So guys, let us jump right into today's video. So I don't know if I want to do this video like a talk through, or I'm going to do a voiceover, or I'm just going to start with a talk through and just probably end, you guys watch me. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is to be using my all over body glow oil from L'Oreal Makeup. You can see I literally use this. So I'm just going to be, I just took a generous amount and I'm going to be applying on my skin. So concentrating more around my T-zone area. I think I took too much, but we're going to make it work. So what I did was to go and wash my hands, and I'm just going to, which in fact is actually, moisturizing it into my skin. So now that we have this moisturized, now that I have used my glow all over body, I'm going to be sealing it in with my facial spray with Orange Blossom from L'Oreal Makeup. This is just to the fact that you're hydrating, the fact that you're moisturizing your skin or trying to give yourself that glow doesn't mean you shouldn't ensure that your skin is hydrated underneath. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and I'll come back to you guys. So as not to make this video too long, I'm going to be going in with my foundation, and I'm pretty much going to be doing everything just with the music in the background, and it's my L'Oreal Makeup foundation. If you guys haven't seen my review, I'm going to try to link it up if I can remember, or just put it in the description box. I'm going to be using this. I love to use this because a little goes a long way. It's full coverage, it is buildable, and we are going for the everyday glowy makeup look, really pretty simple. So I'm just going to be taking a few pumps and I'm going to begin the makeup tutorial with just background music. Enjoy, guys. I'm done with the entire makeup. I'm just going to throw on some lashes and I'm going to be back with you guys. So I just wore my lash. So guys, I just wore my lashes, and this lashes I'm wearing is by Star Lashes by Odette. And I don't know if the video on the review and the first impression is going to be going up before this video, but nevertheless, so I'm going to let this settle